on, guys? Back again with another video. Today I bought this. Let's open these bad boys up. I'm going to try a different approach here. Be able to push it. There we go. Got it. Kind of. Yep, there we go. Oh. Yep. Ah. Let's see here. Instructions. Bam. Like a little TV screen. Now this is a HP Omen, what is that? 40L? Whatever that means. I don't know, I'm not a computer expert, so all I know is it's a good one, so. Here we go. Oh, that's the keyboard. Let's have a look, see at this. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know what this stuff is. It just looks complicated and very nice. was something else in here too. That's probably the plug for it. I think that's it. This feels very heavy. I think it's almost like there's something else in here. It's just stuck. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, that's all. Alright then, let's get this bad boy set up. Alright guys, I got the PC all set up. It's kind of hard to see it, isn't it? So big. Alright then, let's get her started up. Let's see. Ooh. Oh man, that's cool. That's cool. Wait a minute, let me try to turn the light down a little bit. That's cool. That's cool. Ooh. Now then, let's get this thing powered on. This button, isn't it? Ooh. Yes. That's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. Something's happening now. Something was happening. Oh, here we go. Maybe it's working now. And there's something else, apparently. Great. Well, guys, it's ready. Ooh. Yes, this will do nicely. Alright, I got the PC unboxed and set up. And, well, just expect better content now. And, pray I can get this thing to work in the way I hope to. But, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Wait a minute.